My name is Grady, and I'm showing you how to make a person on a motorcycle in Lego.
Keep talking.
You put this spiky thing on somebody if you want to, and I just made this character up. So then I'm just gonna put the head on, then I put a helmet on, then I put the pants on. And then, now we're gonna build the motorcycle. Now you just put this thing right here, and then you put this handle on this thing that grabs things. And then you just place him on, then you bend him a little bit, and then you put his hands on the bar. And then that's how you make it.